Hello and welcome to the July and August garden update. Sorry we're running late because we're planning for our ceremony. We're married now, and so we're going to be fixing up this entire backyard for the ceremony, and we have all these other things and plans we're making. So this is going to be a 2-month update, and then we're going to show you the results after. And here we have flower. We planted this. Isn't it beautiful?
We're married.
Yes.
The ceremony is on October 31st on Halloween.
Yes.
And then this is Victoria's. The little flowers is so soft.
And the paperwork's in though. We are officially married, but we're waiting for the ceremony.
Monique's beauty. Leaves more sheer.
You'll envision with me. My rose project. Past this line because I have some stuff that's try to stay above this line. Like that.
You're not gonna plant over these. They're pretty.
Oh, you want to keep these?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a line right here, just like a line of them. Okay. So that way they can all be sitting in the back. So we're gonna flatten out this area.
I just gained 5 pounds because of the COVID-19 restrictions, and
I still help you.
so I need to lose weight. That's good for me. We make it flat.
Yeah, just try to aim for this being the flat like this. So we're gonna try to make it flat like this. Up to that other finger.
So I'll take these rocks down like that.
But take them up.
Oh, you don't want it. Okay, go on.
About a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Everyone knows the chorus, let's go! Don't worry about a thing. Worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry.
And yeah, that's it for the backyard. We can take you to the front yard.
Don't worry
about
about a thing.
after this. planting some cactus stuff here to fill up the holes so it looks less empty inside. Because I'm no longer empty inside because I'm married.
Oh,
And now,
you're so beautiful, honey.
the grass did die because our sprinkler system went out while we went camping, and it was a heat wave.
I hope you like her. I hope you like jamming.
But it's coming back. Little hole we cut in the lawn. Now look at, we got some beautiful succulents. Excuse me, Ruger. Excuse me. Doggy. Oh, out of the way.
We're jamming, I wanna jam it with you.
Yeah, that's it. It's, and all of this has basically been free, low cost, because I'm using everything that I have here. Watching my July-August update, and we are going to keep you updated when the wedding happens, so that way we can show you everything we did and how little we spent making it all happen. And it's nothing less than a miracle and no less special. In fact, it's even more special because all the heart went into it, and that's what it's all about, doing things with passion and with what you love.